All right, let's take a look at how trick number 4 works in Mysterious Mathemagic. We're going to start off with a number you select. We'll just call that number x for the sake of convenience. And then the first direction, of course, is just to add 9. So we've got x plus 9. Now, from there, we're going to multiply that by our mystery number. So we're going to take x plus 9, multiply it by x, and we'll get x squared plus 9x. A way to think about that is using the area visualization. So we've got x plus 9, and we multiply that by x. We can picture that by thinking about a rectangle with a height x plus 9 and a width of x. And you can pretty easily see that the area of this square part at the top would be x squared. And the area of this rectangle at the bottom here would be 9x. So that's one way to visualize that. And then we're going to take that term and we're going to multiply that by x as well. So if you've got that rectangle, you can now extend that out into 3 dimensions. The x squared is going to become x cubed, and the 9x is going to become 9x squared. Simple enough so far. Now we're going to add 24. So we've got x cubed plus 9x squared plus 24. And then we're going to add the mystery number 26 times. So that's just going to be 26x. Instead of adding that at the end, I like to add it right here so that the exponents go down as we move from left to right. That's how mathematicians like to do it. All right, so we're just going to set that aside. We're going to put that at the bottom because the next step gets a little bit tricky. Here, I've got to reveal the little trick that was up my sleeve. In order to build this riddle, I started off just thinking, hey, what is x plus 2 times x plus 3 times x plus 4? And when I did that, well, I did the old FOIL method here. If we're going to do x plus 2 times x plus 3, we can multiply that out. This would be x squared. X times 3 would be 3x. 2 times x would be 2x. So together that would make 5x. And then 2 times 3 is 6. So these two expressions work out to multiply to this expression here. Then we're going to multiply that by x plus 4. And again, we can just do each item over here multiplied by each item over here. X squared times x is x to the third. X squared times 4 is 4x squared. We can extend that all the way through, and we get this big, long expression here, x to the third plus 4x squared plus 5x squared plus 20x plus 6x plus 24. Some of these terms we can combine. Combine these to make 26x, and you can see that x plus 2 times x plus 3 times x plus 4 works out to this right here, which, hey, that matches exactly where we got with the first directions. So when we divide by x plus 3 and divide by x plus 4, or I guess I asked you to do them in the other order, we divide by x plus 4, then we divide by x plus 3, what do we end up with? Well, we just end up with x plus 2. And then the last instruction is just to take away 2, leaving us with x, right back where we started. So all of the original steps got us to this big, long expression, which was the result of multiplying these out. Now, if you want to solve it by trying to factor those out, you certainly can. But I just wanted to reveal how we built that trick that quite coolly gets you back to the letter, or to the original number that you started with, which we signified with the letter x.